Hi viewers, today I want to share my journey to 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Here I may share 10 basic and important points which are keys behind success on YouTube. First, create high quality, engaging content. Produce videos that are informative, entertaining, or inspiring, and that resonate with your target audience. Second, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords to improve video discoverability and search rankings. Third, use eye-catching thumbnails. Create thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click on your videos. Fourth, promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers to build a loyal community. Thanks for watching our video.